Well, hello, all you beautiful people. Good morning. Happy Monday to you. You'll be watching this on Tuesday, so take note of that. Today's going to be a better day than yesterday was, for sure. The vlog's going to be better. Crystal's getting back today. We're going to do like a meal prep Monday thing because her and I both need to meal prep. Even though I'm eating 6,000 calories, I've got more options, more flexibility as far as like how I get that much food in. I just want to meal prep it. Like I don't want to worry with it. I don't want to screw around with it. I just want to do it. Have it all there, pre-packaged, ready to go, and it just be an afterthought, because consistency is the key when it comes to like following anything. And if I just remove that from the equation of variability in my life, I'm gonna be way better for it. So when she gets back, we're gonna go grocery shopping and do like a meal prep Monday thing, and she's gonna prep all her meals, and she's kind of doing things a bit differently because she's got her digestive stuff and she's got some new info on that, and she's gonna cater that meal prep towards that. I'm gonna just find what I can find that's quality and in line with my 6,000 calorie goal. Yeah, I've also got to pick up, I ordered some clothes and some new lifting shoes from Riderwear, so I'm gonna go to my uncle's and pick that up. I got some more supplies that I gotta get in for the kitchen. And it's just gonna be a busy day. I got a bunch of podcasts. I'm doing a podcast with Jason Whitrock today, so that's gonna be cool. I'm also doing just a bunch of client calls. So lots of computer work, but I'll find some good content for y'all. Get ready. So we just got a package in the mail. The Keto Momster on Instagram, super sweet. She gets on our Instagram lives in the morning. She sent us a little gift and a letter and a little trapper hat for Jack, old man Jack. So I'm gonna put this on Jack and we'll see what he looks like with this thing on. Jack, come here. Come here, Jack. Come here, Jack. This might take a while. Hold on. Oh yeah, check that out. Kind of more of a cape than a hat, but we'll make it work. Thank you so very much, Amanda. He's digging it. All right, y'all. We're going to take a break from the computer for a bit to go pick up my new lifting shoes from my uncle's warehouse. And if we have time, we might swing by the Northern Tool Equipment, see if we can get some bar stools for the kitchen. So that is the plan currently. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, we're at my uncle's warehouse. Got my package from Riderwear. It's from Australia. My uncle thought it was a bunch of kangaroos in here, but it's not. We got some shoes, like I said earlier, some lifting shoes. That's not all I got. I got some, first of all, I want to preface this with I wanted to get some articles of clothing that I like and kind of compare that to what I want to do my own branding, because I'm looking into getting my own clothing line started. So this is kind of a test foray into that. But I got some shorts, Kai Green branded shorts. I'm all about the Kai Green. So just some shorts here. That's one thing I got. I got 2 pairs of leggings for Crystal because she needs more leggings and I love my baby. So I'm just totally ripping into her leggings, but leggings here, they've got like some texturing on the side. Scrunchy butt leggings, I don't know, that's what all the girls are into these days. Make her butt look better. She don't need any help there. And then another pair of leggings, I'll let her open up one. And then a hoodie, which is a little hot for right now, but I'll go ahead and throw it on to test it out. But a Riderwear hoodie. I like lifting in sleeves and conceal. It just kind of gives me some more warmth. I get a better pump. Let me throw this on real quick. Hold on. See if it fits. Yeah, so the hoodie's good. I like it. It's got like some texturing on the sleeves there. Hood, obviously. The fit is good. Ready to go to the gym, work out. Take this off now. Whew, too hot for all that. Ooh, look at that hair. And then I got my shoes. Actually, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, I ordered enough. They gave me a free stainless steel shaker cup, so that's kind of cool. The shoes, what I'm excited about, because my shoes are kind of all just, they're getting old. I wear one pair of shoes. I just keep wearing it until they wear out. Alright, check this out, y'all. Riderwear. Boom, we got the black on red. We got the Riderwear logo on back. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with Riderwear in any way, but I kid you not, these are like zero drop soles. There's no difference between the heel to the toe. Very flexible. These are the most comfortable items of footwear I've ever put on my feet. I literally wear them all day in the gym, out of the gym. If you've seen me wearing these shoes, and they just are amazing. Plus you get like much more stability when you're lifting. A lot of people have the problem like when they're doing squats or deadlifts, they have like just a standard Nike tennis shoe or just tennis shoes in general, and that cushion helps take away a lot of the force. Like that cushion absorbs a lot of the energy that you have in that movement. So don't do that. Either lift barefoot, wear like Converse, like a zero drop type of minimalist shoe without much of a sole to absorb that energy. So that's why I love these, because as you can see, there's basically no sole. All right, love my stuff. Excited for Crystal to try on her scrunchy butt leggings, and yeah, so successful order. All right, y'all, guess who just came home?
It's me.
It's you. Jack's like never been more excited in his whole life.
I know. Robert got me some things.
Some things?
Some things.
You gonna try them on?
In a minute. Oh, those feel nice.
Those that got the scrunchy butt.
Wow. Oh, they sure do. Who knows what my butt's gonna look like in those? They have
yeah.
mesh. Okay, there's another pair.
Try the scrunchy butt ones on.
Ooh. Oh. These are really nice. Ooh, they have this cute little zigzag in the front here.
I know. Cute little zigzag.
Cute. Robert picked these out all by himself.
I don't know. I'm good.
You are good. Thank you, baby.
You gonna model them for us?
Sure.
We're gonna like not try them on camera. We'll try them on after she's put them on. All right. So here we have the leggings. What do you think?
I like them. They're very comfortable. They fit really well. And I get really annoyed with leggings and certain brands because I feel like they always just ride up, and these don't feel like they're gonna ride up.
Good.
Or down. They'll just stay.
That's what you want.
Yeah. Alright guys. Just got my MRT results and everything back. My diet starts tomorrow, so I'm getting my last cup of coffee with a whole bunch of heavy cream in it because I'm not allowed to have cream anymore. No more dairy. So I'm really looking forward to this last coffee.
Boom, check it out, baby. Going to Whole Foods to get us some meal prep time. That booty don't need no scrunchy pants.
Alright, so we are at Whole Foods, and I have just started, or I'm going to be starting the diet tomorrow for all my food sensitivities, and it starts off very, very minimal food, so I'm kind of just trying to pick like organic, very, very whole foods, and I have to be very strict about it, so I'm just here picking out some spinach and lettuce and kale, because those are the only vegetables I can have.
Lemon, huh?
1 lemon.
I've been on a Brussels sprout kick lately. I love cutting these things in half, sauteing them, searing them in like butter, olive oil. So freaking good.
Okay, so I can have sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds, and I'm gonna put it in like with a little mix. So I don't know which one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look at the macros, see what one's gonna fit better. Both of them have pretty high fat, pretty equal carbs, and pretty equal protein, so we might just get both.
So I got some salmon fillets. I'm gonna have one of these a day now too. I'm trying to just incorporate more fish. This is farm raised. Ideally you would get wild caught, but I've got farm raised, so shoot for wild caught if you can. All right, babe. What'd you get?
I got 70% or 73% lean ground pork.
It doesn't sound very lean.
Yeah, well I can't have chicken or beef, so that kind of cuts a whole lot of
Ground
food
pork
out.
it is?
Ground pork and ground turkey. Okay, so we're going back a couple of years to egg whites. It's been a really long time since I couldn't have the whole egg, but the egg yolk I'm a little bit more sensitive to than the egg whites, so I'm just gonna go ahead and have some of the egg whites mixed in with some of the turkey and spinach later.
I ain't allergic to no egg yolks. I'm gonna get the full-bodied, unleaded egg.
By the way, I'm not allergic to any of this. Alright, so there's a lot of fats that I actually can't have, but I can have walnut oil, coconut oil, and then fat from the pork. So I'm going to actually get some extra pork fat to mix it with my meals.
What about olive oil?
I can have olive oil.
No olive oil?
No olive oil, no avocado oil, no none of the other ones.
Oh.
Yep, no butter.
Alright, so I'm a big fan of Tim Ferriss, and Tim Ferriss has talked highly of this Ascent brand. The ingredients on this protein are super clean. I personally, with the keto diet, don't really ever use like a protein supplement, so I'm not gonna try this. But they do have a pre-workout as well. It's got 0 sugar and 0 artificial ingredients, 0 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of protein. So I'm gonna give this a shot and see if it's any good. 150 milligrams of caffeine per serving. She didn't want to be on YouTube, but she is now. Successful trip?
Expensive trip.
Expensive trip? Alright, y'all, we are at Walmart. What are we gonna get?
Tupperware.
Glass Tupperware?
Glass Tupperware.
Glass Tupperware.
Because plastic's killing everyone.
How's your coffee?
It's alright.
That was my coffee.
Terrible.
Why?
They didn't put any coffee in there, and then there was a butter wrapper in it.
Not very good.
No.
What are we getting now? Huh? What are we getting now? I'm thinking about going carnivore, y'all. Boom, I found them. The glass Tupperwares. We have Tupperware, y'all. 7 containers. Combined with what we already have, we're good to go. Alrighty, y'all, so I made a critical mistake. All of my food that I already had, like all my ground beef, all of my 75-25 ground beef is frozen, which means I can't meal prep, cook it until tomorrow. So today is meal prep Monday, purchasing. Tomorrow is meal prep Tuesday, cooking. Sound good, babe?
You say meal prep cooking?
Cooking.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.